I have another video coming up about trash can repairs, and we're going to try to use this epoxy putty JB weld. Let's see if it works. I went ahead and cut off a piece. Now I'm going to knead it like this for a few minutes till it's all even. I think it's got to be a certain uniform color. As I'm kneading and kneading this putty, I've noticed it's getting kind of softer, and as you kind of see, the colors starting to become a uniform color, like one color. Getting there. I know it's kind of boring seeing me kneading this. I don't think I'm gonna do it for much longer, so be right back once I'm done. After like 3-4 minutes of kneading, mixing this up, I think I'm ready to apply it to the plastic trash can bin hinge. So first of all, we're gonna kind of align this. I'm gonna grab bits and pieces for the inside of this hinge. Kind of get a good seal. Kind of have our seals in place, our edges. We're gonna add more. You guys let me know. Should you do something different? This is a good idea. Am I wasting my time? Is there a different product out there you guys want to see, or that could work better than this epoxy? Let me know. Comment. Maybe there is an epoxy for vinyl, or for plastic, I should say. I haven't really checked in the hardware stores much. I did check out the Flex Seal. Works out great. Highly recommend the Flex Seal. I think the only reason I didn't try Flex Seal is that I needed something that'll hold up on its, something really, really solid. And this gets really, really hard. So that's the reason I'm trying this. Okay, push it in all the seams, sealing it really tight, pushing all this putty inward, make sure to not miss anything. I think it cures in 30 minutes, maybe an hour. I read the instructions, but kind of forgot. But I know we gotta wait 24 hours, just like most products. And I think the longer it stays, the harder it gets. But anyways, we'll wait till tomorrow. We'll come check it out, and we'll go from there. Thank you guys. See you tomorrow. Hello everybody. So I'm back after 24 hours. A little bit more than 24, like 28 hours. And this product is really, really good. I know it's not meant for plastics, but I was getting kind of desperate and needed something to stick onto this hinge. So let's check it out how it opens. Very nice. This morning I did add more to it. Like I said, it's not pretty at all. By all means, not pretty, but it does work, and it works perfect. I am so happy with it. Yeah, like I said, it's not meant for plastics, it's meant for metals and other applications, but this thing was completely off, so glad it worked. If you like this video, give me a like. Comment what you think. Would you do something different? Have I done something different that you don't like? Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.